you fucking hold back? Why are you doing that? Oh, there you go. Voila. I like to see your ID and a signature on this first. And then also 120 for these particular locks, making it 150 for a grand total. How are you planning to pay, miss? Sometimes you have to add me is a contact in your phone number.
Yeah.
There you go. Endorse the lock mode. You can see enter about right there. Grab my special tool down yonder, right? And put it about a key. And this bitch should just. Oh, you fucking hold back. Why are you doing that? Oh, there you go. Voila. You guys know who it is. The one, the only Locksmith Kings. Yes, miss, that's correct. You're welcome.